Hi everyone, I'm here in East London today. I've got 3 wheels to repair on a new shape Astra. So they're all roughly the same sort of damage. I'll show you now. As you can see, normal sort of curb scuffing. So yeah, we'll get them off and start the work. One of the questions we get asked is how much metal do you take off? Now on that final cut, so cut across the whole wheel, all the damage gone, we have taken off 0.45 of a millimetre, which is fantastic. Cut is so good on this machine. Just check that out. Now we're going to put some lacquer on, get the final finish done, get it back on the car. Lovely. So we're all done with the Astra in East London. Everything's torqued up, all safe. We've done it in 2.5 hours, which is really good. All of our work comes with a 12-month warranty. We cover London, Herts and Essex. Visit our website, justwillrepair.co.uk, and we'll give you a quote. Thank you.